Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's going to be a voiceover only, so turn up your sound, listen to the music, and I'll see you at the end. It's about time for the flyover. I want you to notice that the cells in this are about exactly what I was hoping for. And the interplay between the colors, the hammerhead, the Indian yellow, and the gold couldn't ask for more. I'm hoping you're finding these videos both enjoyable and useful. And if you haven't already done so, if you could smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.